Most kids have to wait until they're 16 years old before they can learn to drive, but that doesn't mean they can't experience the thrill of driving a real car well before that. Melbourne-based Driver Dynamics has just kicked off its new Junior Driver Experience program, where budding 12 to 16-year-old drivers get a head start and learn some basic car skills in a controlled setting while having some fun at the same time.
So we're here in the car park of Melbourne's Sandown Raceway, where my 13-year-old daughter Celine is getting the chance to drive a car for the first time in a safe environment.
The course runs for 2 hours, starting with a quick 10-minute safety briefing before the kids are let loose in the Toyota Yaris school cars, which have dual controls so the instructor can step in at any time if things get a bit wild. The main focus is on accelerating, braking, turning, and using the correct vision, with 15-minute stints for each driver before swapping over. After a few warm-up laps to get the hang of it, the underage drivers progress to a slalom course, trying hard not to hit any cones before testing their new driving skills on a double lane change manoeuvre.
So after the kids have got their confidence up on the slalom course, they get to check out how the ABS works with an emergency braking manoeuvre.
I find that the kids are really enjoying this experience, so they sometimes start a little bit nervous and apprehensive, but as the day progresses they get really comfortable and start to relax into it and have a lot of fun, pick up some new skills along the way. It definitely helps with the children getting more confident behind the wheel, and also for the parents to see that they are comfortable and confident behind the wheel before taking them out on their own.
The junior driver course costs $199 and has proven pretty popular, with more than 100 participants going through the Melbourne course so far, with plans to extend the program into other states.
So at the end of the course, every child gets a certificate of completion, which then allows them to go onto a more advanced Level 2 driving course. And we reckon by the smiles all around today, we'll see a few of them back here pretty soon.